Hi guys, it's Pearl from My French Story, and today I am here to talk about a challenge. Yes, learn French in 10 days. I know it sounds crazy, impossible, but it is possible, and we are going to do it together. I designed a course, a challenge to help you learn French in only 10 days. You will have videos, audios, exercises to help you learn French in 10 days. So this program is perfect if you are a beginner or if you know some French but you would like to refresh your skills. What are you waiting for? Join me, join the challenge. I am going to be with you every step of the way, helping you in this amazing challenge, and you will thank me in 10 days. What are you waiting for? Join me, call a friend, and start the challenge today. Hey, I forgot to tell you, day one of the challenge is available on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Go on my channel, myfrenchstory.com, and start the challenge today. You will thank me, but in 10 days. So see you soon and bye.